In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recurring transactions in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you remove a recurring template so it stops creating future entries. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and sign in to the correct company file. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you manage more than one company. You'll need the appropriate permissions to make changes to recurring templates, so if you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your administrator. Once you're in, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. That's where QuickBooks keeps key shortcuts for settings. Click the small gear icon there. This opens a menu with several sections. Find the section labeled Lists. Under Lists, select Recurring Transactions. This page shows all your saved templates, things like scheduled invoices, bills, expenses, and journal entries that QuickBooks creates on a repeating schedule. Locate the specific recurring template you want to remove, review its name, type, and schedule to make sure it's the correct one, since deleting the wrong template will stop the wrong automation. When you've identified the right row, look to the far side of that row for a small drop-down arrow in the action column. Click that drop-down. From the options that appear, choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm with a prompt that says something along the lines of, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" This is your last checkpoint. Deleting a recurring template removes it from your list and stops any future instances from being created. It does not remove transactions that were already created in the past by this template, so your historical records remain intact. If that's what you intend, click Yes to confirm. After you confirm, the template disappears from the recurring transactions list and no further entries will be generated from it. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to update the view. If the delete option was missing or grayed out, it typically means you don't have permission to delete templates in this company file, so you'll need to contact an admin user. Also, if your screen is zoomed in or you're on a smaller display, you may need to scroll the table horizontally to reveal the action column with the dropdown. That's it. You've successfully deleted a recurring transaction template in QuickBooks, ensuring it won't create any new entries going forward. If you ever need it again, you can recreate the template from scratch using the same transaction type and schedule. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough anytime you need a quick refresher.